Alrighty guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get paid into the hundreds of dollars, upwards of $800 to even $1,600 just for sharing your ideas on this with this one company. And you're going to be able to use the Google search engine to do this, and it's all 100% free and can be done from anywhere in the world and be able to make money right online, right from home. Alrighty, well guys, if that sounds good to you, let's go ahead and get started on this here right away without any further to-dos. But we do want to help those people that are new to the channel today or new to these videos. If this is your first time here, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here again, like I usually tell everybody, reach down there below your video right now, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, and you can be the first to come over and take advantage of these new money-making videos that I upload fairly regularly here to this channel. Okay? Alright, well with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this video here today. What I want to do is come up here, and we're coming to this site right here. It's called Sumo. You see it right up here. If you look right up here in the address bar, it's mindsumo.com, mindsumo.com. You want to come over here to this website right here. And what this website is here, before I show you how you're going to make money with this, this site is a site where people, companies, large companies come here to get other people's ideas, such as, like I mentioned to you, you're going to be able to share your ideas and make some really good money here to do this. And so these big companies like this, like you can see right here, look here, delivering innovative ideas to the world's top brands right here, as you can see. They'll come over here and they use a lot of different people to get ideas for their products, their upcoming products, or to help them with their current products and make them even better. Okay, and as you can see right here, some of these big names, there's Pepsi, there's Microsoft, Yahoo, Disney, I think Facebook. I know you guys have seen all of these companies before. These are some of the biggest companies in the world that use this site to get ideas on how they can influence their brand, or they can help their products to become better for other people out there in the world. And if we come down here, you can see some of the projects that they're doing right here. And you can see they have a lot of different categories right here: business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and sciences, humanity and arts here, to name a few. And they've got all kinds of things here. And you can see that these are current and past projects from some of these companies. And you can see that this particular project right here pays $1,600 right here, guys. You see that? Where my mouse is, if I scroll up here, you can see here there's 14 days left in this particular project here. And all it is a question. It says, how would you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe to ride in? I mean, it's simple questions, guys, that you can give simple answers for and be able to make about $800 right here. And then there's other ones down here that are going on right now. 800 for this one here. What is the future of movie theaters, for example? I mean, right here, how can we reuse and recycle used vehicle tires? And if they like your idea for these questions here, they were willing to pay you $800 right here. I mean, some of these go on down. If we come down to some of these that are finished already, you can see that most of these are around $800. Here's one for $60. Here's one at $1,600, and then here's one that was done at $10,000, guys. As you can see right here, you can make some pretty good money on this site just to share your ideas. Now, how are you going to do that? Well, as you come up here, you can see that this is where right here. If you're a company and you're wanting to get ideas, you come here. And if you're you want to log in and you want to sign up, back right here, this is what you're going to click on. You're going to click on I am a problem solver, because you're going to offer your ideas, like it says right here. Share your ideas and earn cash, guys, just like that. So what you want to do is you want to come up here, and you want to come up here where it says log in or sign up right here, and you want to click on that. And then it brings you over here. This is it. Now you could sign in with your Facebook account or Twitter, you see right here, or create a local account. But actually, this is to sign in with. What you want to do is you want to click right here where it says don't have an account yet, question mark. Just click on that, and that opens up the solver registration page right here. And you just simply fill out your name, your last name, your location, your email address, and get a good password, good strong password. And then put in your birth date and your gender, and then your creativity skills, your marketing skills, and your technical skills right here. If you don't have any of these for all three of these particular categories, guys, I would recommend that you put in average proficiency. Do that for all three of these categories right here, so that it will help you to get and be able to participate in more of these particular challenges to win this money or to gain this money. Okay, so choose average proficiency. Now you may be high proficiency skilled at creativity skills, or you may have none, it says here, but I recommend that you at least do average on each one of these three categories right here. All right, then you want to check these three boxes right down here at the bottom for sure that you've read the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and then this one right here about your participation in the Mind Sumo challenges and things like that right here. Don't forget to check this little garbage box, guys, right here. I'm not a robot. Check that, and then click the sign up button. And then once you get signed up, my guess is they are going to send you an email confirmation. And then once you get signed up, come back, get logged in, and then you can begin to participate in some of these projects that they have going on. There'll be, I'm sure, a whole lot more than what you're seeing here. This is just some of them right here that are already going on and been done. Now, for example, let's just say this one right here. How would you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe? Which, guys, I think you know, most of you have probably heard that there are self-driving cars that they're trying to perfect. And not only cars, but it's also in trucks. It's also in all kinds of vehicles that they're trying to perfect out there on the road. And they are doing a really good job of it. If you look up one called Whammo, you'll find that that is really neat. And there's actually videos on YouTube you can watch where people are riding in these unmanned vehicles and being driven around their town or city. All right. So anyways, what you want to do, I took this one for example. So if we were to click on that, and it brings you over here, it says, how would you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe? And then what you can do here is you can, it's up to $800. There's 78 submissions already. 14 days left in this particular company's challenge right here. All right, these are called challenges. All right, this is where they're trying to gather up ideas. So, for example, if I take this and I come over to Google, this is where we're going to come to Google, and you'll notice it up here in the Google search engine that I typed in right here, how would you convince consumers that self-driving cars are safe? And I just look down through here and you find there's some articles about this. And if I clicked on an article, I brought like this one right here, I believe it is, and I clicked on that, and it brings us over here, and you can see this right here. It's easy enough that you can get your ideas right off the internet, right off the Google search engine, guys. What better place to get any ideas unless you want to think up a reasonable idea out of your own mind? You're welcome to do that too. But if you don't, you can come over here and you can use these articles right here. Now, what you want to do is we do not want to copy articles and things like that because you don't want to get caught for plagiarism or copyright, right? But there's a way around that. So you find a good article like this, it has to do with the subject, and it gives you some ideas on why it would be okay to drive a self-driving car and why it's safe, right? So you can see, for example, we find a good article like this. Now, what you want to do is you want to copy it. You want to copy, now just copy a few lines of words at a time, because what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this site right here. You see it's called Quillbot. Look right up here in the address bar, guys. It's called Quillbot. And this one is a very good paraphrasing or re-paraphrasing site. And as you can see, what we would do is we'd paste that in there in the words that we copied. Now, if you'll look right here, you see where my mouse is right here, guys. This is what you get. You're up to 400 characters, if you do not sign up for a free account. If you do sign up for a free account by clicking up here, click right here where it says create an account, and if you sign up for the free account, you will be allowed up to 700 characters right here. So it might take you a few minutes to do one whole article, but it doesn't matter. It's very good at rewriting these articles into separate words. Watch what I do here. So you paste in some words. You can see we've got about 275 out of 400 right here. So you paste in a few words and then come here and then you just click on paraphrase right here, guys. So if you click on paraphrase, you look down here, look over here, you see that it's made the words different, although it's about the same subject, but it's made the words different. For example, right here, we hear a lot about autonomous cars are the future. And over here it says we hear a lot about how self-driving cars are the way of the future. You see how good that is? It does it really good. Now, once you get these done and you get the whole article paraphrased and copy it and save it into like Notepad or WordPad or something like that on your computer, you may have to change up some of the punctuation. You're going to want to check on that, some of that punctuation. And then once you get the whole article done with these ideas, you can even change it up, make it like tips, you know, tip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could separate it and even do it like that yourself if you wanted to. But nonetheless, once you get it all done, then what you want to do is you just want to come back and bring it back here and submit it into this, and submit your article or your idea into this challenge here and have an opportunity to make up to $800 in here. Now, then come back and you can do another one. So the more that you do, the more money that you have an opportunity to make with this company. So as they show you the different ideas that they've got going, you can make some pretty good money. Now, you may not, the object here is to get in as many of these as you can for the more opportunity to make money, since this is like a challenge and they take certain ideas and they don't take certain ideas. So if they like your idea and they pick it, you're going to make this money that they're showing right here, okay? And so on and so forth. So you want to get involved in these projects as much as possible and get these ideas out there. So the more projects you're involved in, well, the more money that you're going to have an opportunity to make with this particular idea. Alrighty, guys, that's the method I wanted to show you today, how you can get started with this really good company called Sumo and work with these big companies right here and be able to influence their products and their brands and be paid some pretty good money to do this even right now. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, reach down there below the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. And also, if you have any comments about this particular video, just leave them down below there, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my #1 recommended free video presentation on how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to reach down there below at the top of my description and click where you see it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out what's available there that'll help you learn high-ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to check out the videos up here and check those different ways to make money that I've created for you. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye now.